Hi, Sandy. You need to go inside the house. It's hot. It's hot outside. It's windy. It's okay. Let's go check the goats. There's the goats. Mina's over there. Hi, Mina. What you doing there? There's the two boys and Mama. Spencer, their sister, and Millie and Silly over there next to each other. And the one by himself is Wilson. Wilson. Sam and Rye. Mama. Enjoying the fresh grass. It's cooler today. Mina. Look at me, Mina. It's kind of quiet today. They're resting. They're chilling. Spaz and Moo. And Misty. Where's Rain? Where's Rain? Rain, come here. Come here, Rain. You wanna play with them? You wanna play? I don't have any treats. I don't have treats. I know. You're mad. You're always mad. Always talking back to me. And Misty. Misty and Sandy again. Hey, no fighting. Leave Sandy alone. Leave Sandy alone. Come on, let's go. I'll give you a treat. Come on. They're happy. They got their treat. I hope Sandy, you better eat your treat. Misty or Rain's gonna take that, and I don't want you guys fighting. Okay, good job. You guys wanna go? You girls wanna go inside the house? Let's go inside. Or wanna enjoy the sunshine? Thank you for watching.